So Auswater Systems, it's a service business, water treatment service business out of Perth. It's a business that we have known for years through our team in Perth, actually through our de.mem Capic operations, which is our Perth subsidiary. We've worked with Auswater over many years and have built a business relationship. It fits extremely well into our business strategy because it's a service business. Auswater is generating exclusively service revenues. They are servicing water treatment plants for mining customers. That provides a fantastic overlap because our focus in Perth so far has been on the specialty chemical side. And we will be able to supply specialty chemicals such as anti-scalants, corrosion inhibitors, process additives into Auswater's mining base as well. And from a financial perspective, Auswater is extremely attractive to us because it's one of the most profitable and most lucrative businesses that we've seen in terms of margin profile. It's clearly accretive to de.mem's gross margins of 36%. Auswater has been generating approximately 60% in gross margins over the past few years, and will certainly help de.mem Limited on its way towards achieving sustainable operating cash flow break-even. There is little overlap in terms of customer base. Auswater, such as de.mem Capic out of Perth, is focusing on mining customers, but it's very complementary in a sense that there has been little overlap. So it really fits together very well in a sense that we can use the combined customer base for our cross-selling initiatives. And there is a natural overlap in terms of product portfolio because most of Auswater's existing customers, they will require and will have demand for our specialty chemicals products range. So the service business in general is one of the 4 business segments of de.mem Group. It's a core business segment for us because the service contracts, they lead to a lot of other business, such as the sales of anti-scalants and specialty chemicals, or such as water treatment equipment. The service business as a whole is generating approximately 30% of our overall revenues, and that's exactly where Auswater will fit in. The Auswater acquisition is actually very significant for us. Together with the recent Border Pump Works acquisition and the other initiatives, for example, around the organic growth of our domestic water filters, we're coming to a point where we're getting very close to sustainable operating cash flow positive. Where we are now, debt financing will become a lot more relevant for us going forward. Non-dilutive debt-financed acquisitions, that's definitely an option for us going forward, which would make it a lot more attractive for our shareholders, for de.mem to continue that growth model through acquisitions. Well, with de.mem Group, we actually have some experience now in integrating these businesses, and we've created like a really good platform. We've created like a nationwide brand through de.mem, backed by the ASX listing. We have a nationwide organization. We have workshops in the key areas of Australia. And in that sense, it is pretty easy for us to integrate a relatively small business like that into the existing operations of de.mem Group. And that obviously provides the platform for our cross-selling initiatives. And that's one of the reasons why we are able, with all these acquisitions that we made since 2019, to really show accelerated revenue.